So I've heard it a lot when it comes to bus builds, RV builds. Cutting a hole in your rig is super scary, and I'm going to document my process. So not sure if it's right or wrong, it's just what makes sense to me, so let's do it. This vent right here belonged to the old RV style refrigerator that we are not going to use. We're going full electric. Alright, so we got that vent out. So I kind of split the difference right here between what would be the outside and the inside channel. So I'm just going to cut right in the middle, and hopefully that should be enough to get this window seated in there as a rough cut. So I set my roto zip up to the exact depth that I need. Roto zip worked really well up until I hit the metal rib portion and ended up snapping my bit. There's actually supposed to be this big. So that's what's left of it. So I snapped 2 bits, so I decided to go with my jigsaw and just rip out the rest of it. I probably should have just did the jigsaw to begin with because it went way faster than using the roto zip. This is cool for like cutting out the foam insulation and doing some intricate cuts. Like the circles, hitting the radiuses of the window was really easy with this in comparison than working with the jigsaw. So currently have the window out here trimmed out just with some faux pieces of wood with the same thickness as what I'm going to use for the walls. That's holding the window in place at the moment. It's not a permanent install because I still have to do the walls, but I couldn't do the walls until I got the window cut out. So